Today I'm fixing a warped deck on my zero-turn lawnmower. Welcome to Barn Tech. See the stripes in my lawn? This is because yesterday when I was cutting my grass, the blade hit a tree root. So now it's cutting deep on one side and the other side's cutting high. All right, here we go. There's the problem. See how that deck is not sitting even on there? I'll show you why in a second. Dropping the deck's pretty easy. Show you guys here. We'll loosen up this get this off. I need to pull the pin out down there. First, I'm gonna pop the back loose. Set that down to the bottom. We got two pins here. There's one side. There's the other. Now if we get this pin out of there, it'll actually pull out like this. Get this pin out. All right. So now I push the deck back. Pushing it back is going to make room to get the belt out of the back. This out of the way, so we'll push back a little further. I should be able to get the belt loose. All right, got the belt loose. Now the whole deck should slide out like that. Get this out of the way. I'll show you guys what's going on here. All right, you can probably see just from looking at it that the deck is twisted like a pretzel. Actually, it's this way. So the deck's twisted, won't lay flat. I'm gonna get these wheels off of there and it'll be even more obvious. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I think what caused this is I'm always hitting things with this edge right here because this is the edge that I try to get as close as I can to the flower bed edging and trees and stumps and things like that. So I think this edge catches on roots and stumps and things, and that's what ends up causing the deck to warp. I'll show you guys here in a second how the deck is warped. And this is not the first time I've repaired this, but this time I'm going to do something to make it not happen again. All right, again, you can see this corner is lower than these two corners. In fact, this corner's sitting on the ground. This one is raised up just a little bit by this bracket. But yeah, definitely not even. You guys will laugh at how I do this. All right, you probably didn't see this coming, but I've got the deck supported by a wood block and some bricks. And I'm just gonna get up on top of the deck here. See if I can straighten this deck out. All right. See if that's any better. Oh yeah. Went from being about an inch or so out of alignment to what I would say is pretty well aligned. See, this side here is jacked up a little bit by this wheel bracket, and this side is supported by, is lifted up by about the same amount. So, yep, I'd say the deck is straight now. Now I need to do something to it to keep it from bowing again. And I've got a couple of ideas. We'll see which one sticks. I'll be back in just a minute with the welder probably. All right, I believe in doing the simplest thing that could possibly work. And so I've got this piece of old fence pipe. I'm gonna cut it off here and weld it to the top of the frame. And I'm hopeful that that will keep it from doing this in the future. I've already had to straighten this deck 3 times now. This is my 3rd time to do this. So I'm gonna try to reinforce it. If this doesn't work, if I have to do it a 4th time, I'll do something else. That piece go right there. So I need to clean off the welding surface. Let's see. This will probably be the quickest way to do it. I say let's tack that and burn it in. I was reading in the parable of the sower recently, and it really made me think when Jesus talked about the seed that was sown into the thorns and how the deceitfulness of wealth choked out the fruit from that person. All right, that's a pretty good tack. Holding it real good on this end. I still like the way it's aligned on this end, even though there's a little bit of a gap there. So I'm going to go ahead, weld this in a lot better, and then we'll clamp that end down. That ought to hold. Yeah, a lot of paint fumes in there. Don't really want to breathe this burning paint. I'll give that just a second before I get my head up in there. Okay, I got it clamped here. So I'm gonna weld this now. Hopefully, this deck won't warp again. It's like I stopped just in time. I didn't want to weld my clamp. Well, there you go. That looks a lot better. Figured I might as well dress it up if I'm gonna go to the trouble to fix it. All right, here we go with the new blades on there. You might be able to tell that this blade is, the tip is gonna be just a little bit lower than that blade, but it's a lot better than it was. And then here, on this side, they seem to be about the same. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, or at least found something I said helpful. We'll see you next time. God bless.